Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've always wondered if there was a way that I could protect my drawings. Now I want to introduce you Winsor and Newton Fixative Spray, which is designed to protect pencil, charcoal, pastel and chalk drawings. It is suitable for a variety of surfaces including paper, cardboard and some fabrics. This fixative comes in aerosol cans for easy application. Now how we can use it? Shake it well before using it. And hold the spray about 12 inches away from your artwork. Be careful. Spray in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Keep in mind not to oversaturate the paper. A few light layers are more effective. As you see, it forms a transparent layer that prevents the artwork from smudging and fading over time. And as you see, I'm burning my fingers on my artwork and there is absolutely no sign of smudging or fading. Thanks to Winsor & Newton Fixative Spray, and it's like a protective shield for your creations. Happy drawing!